Ready?
Sure. Okay. So you don't drop it. Just put it down.
Now all you have to go in the same direction. Whoops, you gotta get it.
I can do it.
Alright, hang on. Oh, there's something about this corner here. There you go. Ollie, leave the doors. It'll do it itself. The door, it opens the doors itself, the cars. Yeah. Oh boy, yeah, we don't want these going under the bed because we'll never get them out. Oh, he's pushing the ball, look. Make it go in the same direction. Get it back on track. There you go.
Can I turn the light off?
This light?
Yeah.
Look at that.
No touch.
Whoa, they almost collided. Ollie, leave the doors. Oh, that's a bull. Leave the doors. At that red spot, they almost collided. Wow. All right. So was this the worth the way to put it together? Ask your father. Whoa!
Whoa. No
Whoa!
touch.
You see, they just missed each other.
No touch, Ollie.
Yeah, Ollie, just look, okay?
No
Just
touch.
look, Ollie.
Only see. Only see. You can only look at it.
How about you let him put the ball on? Good job.
Why put the ball on track?
He's pushing the ball around. That's good. We're going in the same direction. That's good when they go in the same direction. Then they won't. It goes through under the dinosaur mouth and over the bridge.
Nice. You almost got it. Push. Push. Ah. Yeah, you got it. All right, put the car on there now. You can go. Yeah! Ah, the dinosaur! Whoa! Cool, bud. You like it?
I want to make it again.
All right.
Oh,
Wrong way, wrong way.
oh.
Not enough gas.